The planning design is a real challenge, especially when a lot of the engineering resources are no longer co-located with the projects. And in many cases, these projects, the engineering and design is being outsourced as well. So what we have at Esri is a concept that we call remote engineering. Instead of sending the engineer to the field, which is a wasteful trip, costly, bring the field to the engineer. And with the data collection capabilities we have with digital imagery, with LiDAR, you can bring in imagery, put it on a desktop, and the engineer can take measurements, can do analysis, mapping, planning, design, all from the desktop and not actually have to go into the field. So this is a way that you can leverage resources that are in different countries, different continents even, to be able to do these large projects in a very short time period. Well, a basic concept of IoT is they're going to have tens of billions of sensors out there, and to provide context to the data that they're collecting, you need to have location. And location can be used in several ways. One is to identify where the devices are and what data is being collected, but the other one is we can use it as triggers. You can automate your home systems so that when you leave the home is smart enough to know through a geofence that you've left, can reset the thermostat, turn off the lights, and set the security system all automatically. This is going to provide the maximum efficiency, and we're going to provide the services that people want in their homes and in businesses when they're there, and then conserve energy when they're no longer there. I think some of the most exciting elements of the GIS technology is the ability to collect data cheaper and faster. As an example, it used to be that when you look at imagery, some of the imagery you looked at was years old. Today, if you have say a natural disaster or something like that, a hurricane comes through, you can literally get that imagery the next day, and it's really up to date. The other thing is we have a lot of new devices that are going out there. You can collect street level imagery. You can use drones to collect imagery. I think when the drones start expanding out, that's going to be really incredible. They can collect visual as well as LiDAR data and do it anywhere you want at a very, very low cost. So these are real exciting things that we're getting a lot shorter intervals and taking it from the initial collection to the actual processing and being able to use that data in virtually any type of application.